You know, it sounds funny, but one of my grandson Jack's, this is a little carrot. It's a little carrot, and I'm trying to keep it as long as I can. Jack Deen's, one of the favorite desserts. I can't even hold the carrot.
Dessert?
Sorry. I'm thinking about this damn carrot, Eddie. One of my favorite vegetables that I have cooked for Jack Deen in the last few Christmases or Thanksgiving is green bean bundles. He loves them. So, and I was just a little surprised. Now, I peel that because I just don't like these little carrots are. Well, I would suggest using a bigger carrot, y'all.
I tried those.
These are a little on the tedious side, but anyway, this is a different version of the green beans. It has always been Jack's favorite. So I'm starting with bacon. I mean, a pile of bacon. Big pile of diced up bacon. That looks like a lot, so I may add that to something else that I'll be cooking later on. So we're just gonna let this cook until it's kind of nice and crispy. Actually, I probably won't bring it to a full crisp, but I'll cook it till I like the looks of it. All right, so we've got our fresh green beans, and we've trimmed the ends of them. And so you just make a bundle, and we blanch these for about 5 minutes in boiling water. Then we remove them and do an ice bath on them so that they'll keep their pretty green color. So all we're gonna do now is take our green bean bundle, and we're gonna wrap each bundle in a carrot strip. So they've got the pretty color. All right, let's see if this one can be tied. You got to keep them long enough so that you can tie them. Or you can just wrap them. If you got a long enough carrot, you can just wrap them and put them seam side down. All right, let's get a long one. Okay, so you can do them just like that as well. And then just put them seam side down, depending on how long your carrot strip is. Here we go. Some of them may not be long enough for you to actually tie. So like I said, your alternative, you can see that one broke, so I'll do it just like I did the last one. I'll just fold it over and put it seam side down. And these are so pretty, y'all. And the carrot just gives them nice color. So we're gonna cook our bacon, and it's gonna take just a few minutes for it. And then we're gonna make a nice glaze to pour over these, and then I'm gonna bake it for maybe 15 or 20 minutes. But it's a great way to kind of pretty up a vegetable, maybe get the children to eat. I was shocked when Jack Deen liked it so much. So I hope you and your family like it as well. I have cooked this to the desire that I like, which is not extra crispy. I like for it to have a little bite to it. So you cook it the way you like it. Now I'm gonna let that drain, and I'm gonna leave about 3 tablespoons of bacon fat in my pan. And let's see, I'm gonna just pour a little bit of it off. And now I'm gonna put in my shallots. I love shallots. kind of a cross between onion and garlic to me. I just love the smell of them. I'm now wearing grease eyeshadow. Oh, Lord of mercy. All right. So you can see what we're getting towards. We're getting through a wonderful glaze to pour over our green beans. And you know, I was talking about me making a recipe similar to this, but Jack, and it was always at Thanksgiving and Christmas. But guess what's coming up? Valentine's Day. This would be a wonderful dish. You could make your partner or whoever, your friend, whoever it is in your life. You could make them a wonderful steak dinner and serve these beautiful green beans on the side. You can make them a beautiful plate. So, Valentine's Day, a birthday, whatever day this will be a nice side item to your menu. Now I'm going in with 3/4 of a cup of balsamic vinegar. So that's my shallots, my brown sugar, and my balsamic vinegar. And we're going to let that cook for just a few minutes. And then I'm going to pour some on top of our green bean bundles and put them in the oven for about maybe 20 minutes. And then when I go to serve them, I'm going to sprinkle this yummy bacon on top. But remember, we got some of that bacon fat in this pan, which is going to kick it up, that flavor. It's going to be so good. Now I've got 1/4 of a cup of olive oil that I will be adding to the pot after this is cooked for a while. So I'm going to get the grease out of my eyes and I'll be right back. Okay, I needed to cook that for about 6 minutes, and now I'm going to take it off the heat and I'm going to drizzle in 1/4 of a cup of olive oil. Now I usually try to use more. I don't like extra virgin. To me, it just tastes like I'm trying to chew up a mouthful of olives or something. So I do like the quieter version. So this is, I'll show you what, I don't know if you like me or not, but like I said, this I just like the extra light. Okie dokie. So now we're gonna take our glaze and we're gonna put like a tablespoon on each bundle. Look at our shallots. Oh gosh, Pete. Oh, I love the way these look. Like a tablespoon on each bundle, y'all. And then I check the cooking time again, and it's like for 15 or 20 minutes. And then when we take them out, oh my gracious, great. Gertie. This looks so good and smells so good. The balsamic smells so good. All right, so we've got some left over. When we take them out, if they need a little bit more, we can douse them again with our balsamic marinade. And when they come out, I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of this wonderful bacon on them. And that's, yes, and that's gonna be our vegetable dish. Well, what do you think about our green bean bundles? That balsamic vinegar really turned dark on it, but they're just so good. I wish Jack was here. And the thing is, how do you eat these? With your mouth. That's a good start, isn't it? It's so good. The balsamic vinegar takes it to another level. And the bacon on top, that just kind of seals the deal, you know? So good. And these have been out of the oven for a few minutes. I mean, they're no longer hot, but they're just slightly warmed. And that's another thing I like about this dish. You don't have to worry about getting it out and serving it like immediately, because it's pretty good at any temperature. So I hope y'all will try this, and I hope that y'all would like it, because it's delicious and different. Sometimes I just don't want to do the same old thing, you know what I mean? So do try it. Yum. Loving best dishes, y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.